Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about Dyson Airwrap and how to achieve long-lasting curls with it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So before starting talking about how I achieve long-lasting curls, which I think that I have achieved, I want to talk about my hair type. So my hair is not fine and it is not thick also. So my hair thickness is between fine and thick, somewhere in the middle. And so I think that with different hair types you have to find your own method which suits you the most, because I see that girls with thicker hair curl their hair differently and girls with thin hair also have their own ways. So my method is based on my hair type, and I'm not gonna lie, with Dyson Airwrap you do need to have some time to work with it to find your ways, but at the end Dyson is worth every penny. So I use Dyson Airwrap, which is not the newest version. This one goes with 2 attachments, which you have to change depending on the side you are working. And recently I discovered that you can buy the newest attachment that goes with the newest Dyson Airwrap, and you can use those attachments with the Airwrap you have, and those attachments will work with any version of an Airwrap. So that's cool, and that's what you can keep in mind if you do own older versions of Airwrap. And this is what I think I'm gonna do, because I think that with that attachment I will do my hair much faster. So I'm working with my older version of an Airwrap and 2 attachments that you have to change. So before I curl my hair, I apply 2 products on my hair. This one is Kerastase oil, comb through my hair, and then I apply heat protectant, also from Kerastase. And then I take wide tooth comb and section my hair into 3 parts: lower part, middle part and top part. Sometimes if I have more time and I want more voluminous hair, I part my hair into 4 parts, and this white strip of hair doesn't fit on the attachment. And the method I have come up with in order to have long-lasting curls with Airwrap is that you have to curl when your hair is 50% or even 40% wet. So when I tried to curl my hair 100% dry, the Airwrap did curl my hair, but curls were loose in about 5 or 10 minutes and my hair didn't hold the curl. And so then I tried to leave my hair a little bit wet, maybe 20% wet, and that also didn't help. And then I realized that I need to have my hair wet 50 or even 60-70%. This way my hair will wrap around this attachment, the hot air will dry it and curl it at the same time. So what I have come up with is that in order for Dyson Airwrap to curl your hair and for your curls to last, you need to have your hair 60% wet or even 70% wet. Since these attachments are not supposed to work like your regular curling one, it curls with hot air but not with a hot plates. And when you have your hair 60 or 70% wet, the hair is wrapped around the attachment and your hair is drying and curling at the same time by hot air. That's why I think having your hair semi-wet is crucial. So I have sectioned my hair into 3 parts. I start at the bottom. Then I section my hair into 2 parts, left part and right part. When I finish curling first strand of hair, I leave it like that. I don't do anything with that. Then I keep curling other hair section by section. So when I get to the top section of my hair, I prefer curling the front hair first and then I'm moving back. After I've done with curling, I leave my hair like that without any combing or anything for about 5 maybe minutes, so it will cool down, and then I finish with a little bit of oil. And after I applied my oil, I take the same white tooth comb brush and I work through the hair. Since I don't like tight curls, I prefer looser curls, I comb through my hair, and that's the final result. When I curl my hair this way, my curls last maybe day and a half, then they are getting looser and looser. But when I want my curls to last longer, I take hairspray and I spray every strand with a hairspray. You will coat every curl, and that way they will last even longer. Now I want to briefly speak about other attachments I use with my Dyson Airwrap, and those are this regular hair dryer attachment and round brush attachment. And also, of course, these curling ones. And by the way, I prefer using the wider attachments the Dyson Airwrap comes with. As you can see, my hair is this long, and since I prefer looser curls, these ones work better. If I want tighter curls, of course, I take other two attachments and I curl my hair with them. These I use when I want these kind of curls. And this attachment I use all the time, as you can imagine, because I don't use any other hair dryer but Dyson. I think that this attachment is the most used one after the hairdryer attachment. Those days that I don't have time, or I don't have the mood, or I just don't want these kind of curls, I take this attachment and I make not these kind of curls, but I make somewhat of a waves in my hair. And so with this attachment, I basically blow dry my hair with a round brush. And since my hair is the kind of hair that if I let it dry naturally, I get very voluminous hair, and this is not pretty, it's not beautiful. So my hair needs to be pulled while blow drying. And that's why I really love this attachment. It smoothes my hair and curls just a little bit at the same time. I hope that I've explained well enough how to achieve longer lasting curls. This is a method that I've come up with practice only. I did watch some tutorials online, but there are people that say that their curls don't last at all, whatever they tried. And there are people that love Dyson Airwrap. Me personally, I'm a fan of a Dyson. After I've tried Dyson Airwrap, I'm not gonna lie, it's taken a lot of trial and error before, and I've come up with the method that works for me only by practicing, and I encourage you to do so if you do struggle with the lasting time of your curls. So I hope that my advice will help you to have longer lasting curls. So those of you who have Dyson Airwrap, how do you curl your hair? Do you use the same method, or maybe it works for you when you curl it while the hair is dry? Please tell me that in the comments down below. I would love to hear your experience with Dyson Airwrap. So I think that I will wrap up my video at this point. I want to thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Put thumbs up if you liked it, and see you in my next one.